Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's update video for Cardano, we are trading at 0.4466. 24-hour volume, we are up 145%. Market cap, we are down 4.32%. So heading over to the chart here, you guys, we have it set on a daily time frame. We can see price is standing still here at 78% of our fib. It is holding on very, very strong here. However, we have our second line of support here, roughly around the 43.53. So really not that far off. Again, we can see some of the candlesticks retracing at the August 20th and August 22nd, but most importantly, a few areas, excuse me, a few areas over here as well. So the likelihood of this, support being held may be tested in the next couple of hours or so, because the last previous candlestick retracing closer to the 61% of our fib has been retested and pulled back here because we have considered to be overbought here at our RSI at 89% and 72%, having a pullback scenario. And we're going to go into more of a deep dive here on a 4-hour time frame as to what happened here, the momentum, RSI, and also a few candlesticks here that we can see and observe. But what we can ultimately see on a daily time frame is that the MACD indicator here is lightening up in color. We can see the spaces in between the signal line and the MACD line here are coming closer together. That means slower in momentum. We may see an ultimate end to this trend for Cardano at an area of confluence. Now, if that being said, we may actually come back up here and then retest the 61% of our fib if we're not going to be rejected at this level of 47.41 here. We do have a huge selling pressure as the candlestick is going on today, as we can see that the body itself is indeed incredibly big, if we can see that. So price may still want to come back down at this area of level of 43.53. If we do break this level of support, the next retracement realistically we can see is at 42 cents here. So if we go down into a 4-hour time frame, we can see our trend line ultimately broke in the last couple of hours. But not only that, we did close below our 20 and our 50 MA line, which again is very, very dangerous here. We're going to come back up and retest the 20 and the 50 line here, so long again as we see a few factors. So one of the things here that we saw was a retest again at a resistance line. We see considered to be overbought here on our RSI of being 60% and 62%. Again, really, really low levels here. If we take a look at our RSI, normally we get that quick turnaround, that retracement level when we retrace up to the 60%, but we are already seeing a lot of weakness in our RSI. Hence the engulfing candle that we can see from our green to our red. Again, huge selling pressure, especially with this long wick at the very top, that candlestick that followed afterwards, and ultimately breaking through our uptrend trend line. Okay, so we have ultimately broke through, closed below our 20 and our 50. If we take a look at our other moving averages, our 120, our 200 were well below it. So again, the trend overall is a bear trend. Now, what we can see in our 4-hour time frame is the crossover of our MACD line already. We can see that slowly we can see it could expand. It can definitely expand bigger. Hence, we may break through this area of support of 78% and then coming back to our second area of support. Or depending how strong the current is, we may actually just drop just slightly, again, maybe to this level here at 44.20, and then see some uptrend or pullback because our RSI here may cross over. If we take a look at our 3-hour time frame, we see again momentum's moving strong on our histogram. We see we are coming back down, but not seeing that crossover of our RSI to initiate, that uptrend. Same kind of thing in a 2-hour time frame. Huge blocks already. We can see the spaces in between these, the MACD line. So again, price is going to come back down. We can see already we're retraced at 15 and 20, but we haven't seen that initial crossover to have, that instinct of we are considered to be oversold. Here is a buying opportunity. Now, again, we can see here our trend line break. Again, we are below 20, 50, 100, and our 200s retraced there, all well below and further apart. So the stronger the momentum is in a bear market, the further we are going to drop. So overall for Cardano, we are going to be dropping down. We're going to drop either hold ourselves closer to this level at the 44.12 or 44.09, basically these levels here, and then we may actually see the price drop even further at 43.53. So that is my price targets here for Cardano. Thank you guys so much for watching and the support you've shown me in the last year. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.